What's wow? Fuck you. Fuck you with that.
Hey! Watch your fucking attitude right now.
No, fuck you.
You're not gonna talk to my crew like that.
No.
You just zip it. Zip it.
You zip it. You zip it.
Relax.
Fuck you.
A driver crashed his vehicle into a mailbox on a residential street. His girlfriend reported he had blacked out behind the wheel. DUI statutes prohibit operating a motor vehicle while under the influence of alcohol to the extent that normal faculties are impaired. Under Schmerber versus California, 1966, a chemical test is not required. To establish probable cause for a DUI arrest, observable impairment alone is sufficient. 3 independent indicators were documented before any arrest decision: strong odor of alcohol, slurred speech on camera, and an unstable gait noted by the officer.
Hello. Hey there, sir. You okay?
I'm good, thanks.
You sure? Okay.
Let's go home.
Sir. So, well, you just hit a very large mailbox. Yeah, you did. Okay. Who was in the car with you?
You want to drive?
Okay. Okay. You were in the car with him?
Yes.
Okay. You're not injured?
You're right?
You're not
I
injured?
wasn't checking the
I'm
mail.
no, I got,
Mailbox and everything. Huh?
Okay.
I
So
don't
he's
think
not
so.
feeling good? Does he need an ambulance?
I don't know. I'm trying to think.
Are you?
He blacked out. He blacked out. I don't know.
Okay.
See,
a doctor or
I don't know. See, do you need an ambulance?
Driver passed out. He's awake and talking now, though. All right, sir.
She's still trying.
You didn't black out at all? Okay. Well, I'm still gonna have an ambulance come and just check on you. All right, but we gotta get this straightened out with as far as like the crash goes.
Driving, right?
Well, after we're done here, because you crashed into a mailbox.
You're driving.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license and?
I do.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes. Yep.
Is his name Steven?
yeah, I think so.
His name? Your husband's name?
It's not my husband.
It's not your husband?
No,
Okay. Who is he to you?
my boyfriend,
Oh, okay. What's your boyfriend's name?
Steve.
Steve? Okay.
No.
Okay. You guys live together?
Yep.
Okay. So Steve, what was going on? You got to talk to me a little bit. Your girlfriend here says that you blacked out. Do you have any medical issues?
I do. I'm homosexual.
Okay. Well,
That's you.
yeah, I'm asking about medical issues.
Well, so, I mean, can you take us home?
Well, we'll probably be able to do that, but
Do you know Shane Garen by chance?
I have no idea who that is.
Okay. Okay.
And okay. So, where are you going to? Are you going home?
I'm gonna go to his house.
Okay, you're
Yeah.
going to his house. Okay, where are you coming from?
I'm not sure where I'm from.
So you're just going to her house?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hate her. But I mean, I lost weight, right? She's that. It's like, it's so good, but it's like not
Okay. I hear it. Yeah. Yeah, I hear it.
good. So I'll cry.
Okay. Just hang tight for a minute.
Field sobriety tests are voluntary. Refusal carries no independent criminal penalty, but under South Dakota versus Neville, 1983, refusal is admissible as evidence of impairment. By refusing the field sobriety test, Steve did not avoid creating evidence. He created a different kind, consciousness of guilt, admissible at trial. By operating a motor vehicle, drivers implicitly consent to chemical testing upon lawful DUI arrest. Refusal triggers automatic license suspension in most jurisdictions independent of any criminal charge. Under Birchfield versus North Dakota 2016, breath tests conducted incident to a lawful arrest are constitutional without a warrant. Blood tests require one.
It's probably gonna be 55.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah, because he smells like it. He's not making any sense. He didn't even know he hit it.
Yeah.
But,
You want him out of the car?
That's so funny.
watch your step, sir. Just sit down.
We're in Orleans.
Just sit, sir, why don't you sit down?
We don't want you falling.
Oh,
The car off.
We're gonna put you right in the back of the ambulance, all right? We're gonna have you have a seat in that ambulance.
there's no way I'm in the ambulance.
Well, you got to. There's no way
Just let
I'm.
them
Don't
check you
touch
out.
me.
We need to check you out real quick.
Don't touch me.
right.
I'm not going
Sir,
in the ambulance.
We're gonna shut your car off.
Steve,
I got it.
Cut
Steve,
it
listen
off.
to me. Steve,
Seriously, in an ambulance?
Yeah.
Yeah, they just
It's either that or the back of a police car. Which one do you want?
they just got to check you out real quick, and then you can refuse to go to the
You don't have to
hospital.
go with us. We just need to check
Okay.
you out. That's a
I'm
significant
not going
impact.
anywhere.
That's
I'm
fine.
going-
Okay, you don't have.
we
They
gotta
just
check
want
you
to
out.
look at you. Like you said, you passed out. That's why I called them. I just want
Okay.
them to take a look at you. You can refuse to
Thanks,
go.
gentlemen.
We gotta check
Thank
your
you
blood
so
sugar,
much. Thanks.
heart.
No, don't check anything for me. I don't want it. I don't want it. Sorry. I love this girl, and I'll be fine.
Was she in the car too?
Yeah, she was.
Wow.
What's wow? Fuck you. Fuck
Hey,
you with that.
hey, hey! Watch
Relax.
your fucking attitude right now.
No, fuck you.
You're not gonna talk to my crew like that.
No,
You just
I'll
zip
talk-
it. Zip it.
You zip
Steve,
it. You zip it.
relax.
Fuck you.
Touch me and see what happens.
Relax, Steve.
You touch me, see what happens.
Steve,
How's that?
Yeah, lovely.
How's that? Fuck
Lovely.
you.
Man,
Fuck you.
Steve,
Relax.
knock it off.
Don't talk to me like that.
They're trying to help you. Okay, I called them here to take a look at you.
Stay right here.
I'm-
Stay right here.
Okay.
Steve, you got to talk to me. Okay?
Okay.
You hit a huge mailbox. Your car is pretty messed up. You're not telling me much here.
Okay.
What's going on? You said you got no medical issues. You've been drinking tonight? Because I can smell it on you. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Nothing at all? And you got no medical issues?
None.
No?
You
Right,
gotta allow
so-
me to check you out, sir. You're slurring your words. You have an unstable gait. It's not
You know
making
what?
sense
Stop
to
it.
us.
Stop
I'm one
it.
of the
I don't.
paramedics.
You know.
He's
You know.
just trying
Stop
to
it.
help
Stop it.
paramedics,
I know
man.
you. I know.
Yeah,
No.
I'm not about to let you be driving and hurting other people. That's not gonna happen. Not on our watch. I see you how the way you are right now. Can you at least let me check you out? Check your blood pressure. Check your blood sugar. If that's okay, then what you need to talk to
You're,
is
no,
officer,
you're not
me.
touching nothing on me ever. You just never will. I don't care. Okay, so
What's your name?
God,
What's your name, sir?
wow.
Can you tell me how old you are?
Can you just answer a few questions for them? And maybe they'll leave you alone?
Where are you at right now?
Wow. Where's my girlfriend?
She's getting checked out. Like she's supposed to.
What a fucked up situation. Wow. Wow. Okay.
You want to go get checked out?
They're not going to drive you to the hospital if you don't want.
Listen, thank you guys. Thank you. So should I put my car somewhere like closer or something? No.
What?
What'd you say?
Should I put my car closer or something?
Put your car closer to what? Your car is on a mailbox right now.
I know.
Well, we're not gonna let you drive right now.
I know you're not.
Okay, Steve. Are you willing to do some field tests?
I want to see my girlfriend.
Okay, maybe after she's done. She's getting checked out by the fire department.
I want to see her.
All right, well, it's not up for negotiation. Are you willing to do some field tests?
No.
No? Okay. Well, in that case, you're under arrest for driving under the influence.
Okay.
Outcome. Steve received a citation for failure to reduce speed and 2 misdemeanors DUI and illegal transport of alcohol. Court details remain unknown. Officer receives an A-. All 3 probable cause indicators were documented before the arrest decision. FST was properly offered and refusal correctly triggered arrest. Minor deduction for framing that elevated subject agitation. Steve receives a D. Crashed, denied drinking, refused all evaluation, threatened paramedics, then refused the FST, placing himself in the worst possible legal position at every decision point. The D rather than F reflects one mitigating factor. Steve complied physically with the arrest and did not resist preventing a misdemeanor stop from becoming a felony resisting charge. 2 lessons. First, refusing a field sobriety test does not help a DUI suspect. It removes the only opportunity to demonstrate sobriety, and the refusal itself becomes evidence. Second, observable impairment is legally sufficient for a DUI arrest. A blood alcohol number strengthens prosecution but is never required for the arrest itself. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam.
Go and take a seat.
Oh, okay. I'm